there is a saying that AI will not replace jobs. People using AI will
But it has
replace
already done
jobs.
that.
People using AI.
Yeah.
Yeah, not the AI itself. The AI can't run alone. But
Like
the
the
people
prompting and
managing,
whatnot.
people managing those platforms. We have case studies. We have Google letting go of about 10,000, Amazon 10,000, Facebook about 12, closing offices in the Ghana office. It's because they've realized we don't need, for example, when you had a problem on X before Elon took over, you'd have to wait a while, shadow banned accounts, you'd have to wait because there are human beings in there who would say, but she looks like, no, we can't let her, we can't unlock her account. Now an AI just, leave alone even that. I've been running ads this January, right? Testing out the market. Do you know that initially, last year and the year before, whenever you'd send your ad out, for you to get approval, you'd maybe take 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 hours, even half a day. Right now, your ad is approved in less than 5 minutes. They're using artificial intelligence to look at structure, copy, video, landing page. Are there any regulatory things? They're using AI. It will say this is good to go. But if they realize it's an ad that is running for 30 days, they'll send you a message and say, we've looked at your ad. You need to change this and this. They're using AI now. Human beings can't do that anymore. Artificial intelligence is doing it. When it comes to human touch, there are things that AI will still lie you on. Copywriting is one of them. Video production is another. There are AI that do amazing videos, but you can tell it was done by an AI. Photography, obviously, there are pictures you've seen, pictures by, I forget the name of those AI tools, but people are finding them interesting. And, and the most amazing thing, I know some twins who are using Midjourney, right, to create beautiful images of themselves. And guess what? They're getting a lot of engagement. Before they used not to get engagement. They'll talk about politics, feminism and all. But now they just, let's produce a picture. Go to Remini, do my picture, create another one. And I inboxed one of them and said, man, you guys are really choking us this time. And she laughed and said, thank you. Guess what? It has made her excited. So about replacement, I think it's still going to happen. I see a number of foreign-based multinational companies entering the country that are using artificial intelligence, that have embraced it and said, guys, for us, it's no longer just about bottom line. Now it's about revenue.
Correct.
There are companies that don't care about how slow you do your things and things like that. They want the revenue to increase. And they're saying, as long as this can get us there much faster, we're going to use it. But in the event that this goes wrong, can we have that one person we can reach out to? I see telecom companies do something called loaned labor, whereby Airtel has a problem and they know that there's a guy in MTN who can solve that problem. So MTN loans that guy to Airtel for a specific period of time, get the problem solved without sharing trade secrets, and he comes back. They do that a lot. So even with companies, companies are now investing in courses, artificial intelligence courses, people who can build prompts and all that. It's a very huge thing going on right now. Google, I think, has put out courses for free. People who can learn how to put
Google has courses for free.
Google
has, HubSpot has,
I
think, courses, and which is quite interesting.